and blue. That's true. It's true yesterday, it's true today, it's true tomorrow. Okay? What shape is the earth? Is it a square? It's a circle. It's round. That's true. Okay, next one. What's this?
One and brown.
Okay, that's the color. But what is it?
Oh.
It's not Earth. At night, you can see stars and the moon. Here is the moon. You said it's white and brown. Okay. So you can say the earth is white and brown. The moon is round. That's true. Okay. Oh, look at the trees. What color are they? Green and
Red
and yellow.
and one and
White and blue? Okay, this is good. White and blue. That's not true. Trees are not white and blue. They weren't white and blue yesterday. They won't be white and blue tomorrow. Okay, I hope not. So, when the trees turn different colors, it means it's getting colder. Trees become orange when it's cold. That's true. Okay, that's simple present. Now what color are they?
green.
When do trees become green? When are trees green? In winter?
No, summer.
In summer and in summertime?
And the river time.
Yeah, there's winter, spring, summer. In spring, trees become green. That's true. Trees are green. Trees are green in spring and in summer. When you see lots of clouds, what is going to happen? Rain. Okay, so it rains. When there are lots of clouds, it rains. What color are the clouds when it rains? Here they're white. When it rains, what color are they? They're black. So clouds are black when it rains. That's true. It's true yesterday, it's true today, and tomorrow it's true. That's just true. What are these? It's a sky. And in the sky there are stars. These are stars. How many? Many. Okay? Thousands, millions. Okay? There are thousands and millions of stars. That's true. Can you count all of the stars? No. That's true. You can't. You can't count all the stars. There are too many. Now there are too many stars to count. But how many suns are there?
Just one.
There is one sun. That's true. Simple present. That's it. Where does the sun rise? In the north, the south, the east, or the west?
South?
It rises from the south?
No.
No. It rises from the?
In
the east. It rises in the east, we say. Okay, that's true. It rises in the east and it sets in the? Not in the north. It rises in the east and it sets in the west. Good. Those are true things. It rises in the east, it sets in the west. Those are all true things. Tell me something true about you. You said your name is Nens Lin. That's one true thing about you. I said I play the piano. That's one true thing about me. Tell me one true thing about you.
Every day I go to school.
You go to school. That's true. You went to school last week. You go to school this week. Next week, you will go to school. Okay, Balmuna, can you tell me one true thing about you?
Every day I eat Breakfast.
I eat breakfast. That's something you do, yeah? Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. All right, Plah Doh So. One true thing about you.
Every day I'm going to school.
Yeah, I go to school. It's true. Okay. Are you going to school right now?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Well, our English school, but not the other school, right? So if you were going to that school right now, you say, I am going to school. I go to school, that just means it's something I do. And one true thing about Nens Lin.
Every day I play computer.
Every day you
I play computer. Play computer?
you play computer.
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Oh, so she likes the computer. That's simple present. She likes the computer. Okay, so we can say goodbye to our computer. I have a quick game for you. We have a true and a false flag. Sort of a flag, a sign. And another true and false. So I want to give this to, let's say, first Plah Doh So. Thank you. And Nens Lin, you can go first. I'm going to say something. You tell me, is that true or false? And every sentence, I'm going to use the simple present tense. Every sentence. Okay? So, first sentence. Plah Doh So goes to school. True or false?
True.
Quick, hold it up. Oh, yeah. That's the true one. Okay? You are first. Can you give it to next person? You can give it to the next person. Next sentence. Okay? Cats like milk. Cats like milk. Yes. Oh, true. Green sign. True. Okay? Cats like milk. Okay? Oh, maybe pass it back to Plah Doh So and Bamuna. Next sentence. Birds like milk.
No.
Yeah, not true. False. Birds like milk? No, that's false. That was false yesterday. That's false today. Tomorrow, that will be false. Okay, next one. Give it to Fatami. Ready? Not yet. I have 2 children. You say true and you say false. What do you think? Maybe? That's false. That's false. Okay. Try this one. I have no children. True or false? True. That's true. I have no children. 0 children. All right. Is this true or false? Carrie Lynn drives a car. Drives a car. That's false. Carrie Lynn, you don't drive a car. Okay? Ooh. Next one. Wait. And you cannot stick both sides up. One side, okay? Next one is vegetables taste good.
Yeah.
That's true?
Yeah.
That's true? Okay. I would say
No.
false. Vegetables taste good? I don't like vegetables. Vegetables taste good? That was, for me, that was false yesterday. That's false today. And tomorrow, that will be false. I don't like them. All right. In Canada, it never snows. What is it? There is no snow in Canada. False. There is snow in Canada. Last year there was snow in Canada. This year, next year there will be snow in Canada. That's true. Okay, next one. Ready? Nens Lin works at McDonald's.
McDonald's. No.
No, she does not work at McDonald's. That's false. Okay. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. That's true. Yeah, they do. They did yesterday. They do today. Tomorrow, they will live in water. True. And we'll do one more. Mirrors are made of plastic. This is plastic. Mirrors are made of plastic.
No.
I don't think so. False. False. What are mirrors made of? Mirrors are... It's more like glass, hey? Yeah, this is plastic, but this... Yeah, that's not. Do you want to come up, show everyone your picture, and then tell us your sentence? Who wants to go first? You do? Okay, so Nens Lin, come up, hold your picture, and tell us your sentence. And hold it nice and straight.
She read a book.
She write a book?
Yes.
She writes a book. Good. Okay, she writes a book. Let's have... You ready?
They read a book.
Oh, they read a book or...
Study.
How many? We have one book?
No.
No, we have 1, 2,
Many
3, 4
books.
books. They read books. Good. Okay.
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping? He is sleeping means right now. So that's...
Sleep.
Yeah, he sleep or he sleeps.
He sleeps.
He sleeps, right? Because he and she always need an S. Good.
She eats and drink.
She is writing?
No. Yeah.
She is writing means right now. She
Right.
She write? She write? Or she writes? She writes. What is she writing? What do you think? Nothing? She writes nothing? She never writes anything. Maybe she writes letters. That looks like a letter. She writes letters to her mom. Maybe she writes letters. Thank you. And last one.
He is singing a song.
Okay, he is singing. That means right now. What about
Sing.
he sing? He sings.
He sings.
He sings songs. That's something he does yesterday. Today he sings songs. Tomorrow he will sing songs. Good. He sings songs. Thank you.
Okay, you've heard the students reading their sentences in the simple present tense. Now it's your turn. We're going to play the same game that they played in the video at the beginning. I'm going to ask everyone in your class to take 2 pieces of paper, 2 small pieces of paper. On one, you would write the word true, and on the other one, you would write the word false. And then I'm going to ask everyone in the class to write 3 things about yourself. Write 3 short sentences in the simple present tense about yourself. Now, 2 of those sentences must be true. And 1 of those sentences must be false. Then take turns. Each one of you read your sentences to the rest of the class, and the rest of the class must hold up their pieces of paper. If they think what you say about yourself is true, they hold up the true piece of paper. If they think it is false, they hold up the false piece of paper. So you can write sentences about yourself like, I have 2 brothers. And they will say true or false. Or you can say something like, I like milk. And they will say true or false. Or you can say something like, I play the piano. And they will say true or false. Okay? Are you ready? Let's begin. Please stop the video and do the activity.
I'm going to say 3 sentences. You tell me Is that sentence true yesterday, today, and tomorrow? Or is that something that happens right now? Okay, so listen carefully. I am walking. I am walking.
Right now.
That's right now. Okay? How do I say something for yesterday, today, and tomorrow? Not I am walking. Today. I say I, not walking, I walk. Just I walk. If I say he walks, okay, she walks with the S. Next one. I drink milk. I drink milk. Is that right now?
No.
No. I drink milk. I drink milk. Yesterday I had milk. Today I have milk, and tomorrow I will still drink milk. Okay? That's simple present. Last one. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. That's right now. How do I say yesterday, today, and tomorrow? I read books. Yep. I did that when I was a little girl. Right now I do it. When I am a grandma, I will read books. I read books. Okay. So, before you go, tell me, when do I use an S? When do I use an S? Not for I, for
She.
and
He.
yeah, for he and she. Not for they, not for you, not for we, just he and she. All right, you have a good week, and we'll see you next time.
Well, let's wrap up. What did we learn today? Well, we learned some more about the simple present tense. We learned that we can use it in two ways. One way is to talk about what we do every day. Every day I do my homework. Every day I go to school. We can also use the simple present tense to talk about things that were true yesterday, will be true today, and tomorrow as well. For example, I can say, where I live, it snows in the winter. It snows in the winter. I can also say, where I live, there are no hills. Where I live, there are no hills. Or I can say something like, fruit is good for you. Fruit is good for you. These sentences are in the simple present tense. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. This has been English Without Limits. I'm Doug Sadler. Have a good day.